Hi guys, Natasha here, aka French girl around the world. So today I wanted to invite you to my at-home yoga practice. I wanted to tell you some top 5 videos that I love and why I love them to do yoga at home. My goal here is to enable you to do a yoga practice every day, not for long. What I do is usually 20 minutes. You will see that in those top videos, I will tell you which one is better for morning time, which one is better for night time, which one is better for the core, which one is better for your balance, which one is better for stretching. So the first video that I want to show you is for balance. Why it's important to work for balance? To feel better, also more balance in your mind, because really when you are doing those balance exercise, you have to focus on the exercise, and if you focus only the exercise only, then you forget the other thing that you're doing. When you get stressed with your work, that's the best way for you to balance your mind and your body. Okay, so that was for the first one. The second one that I want to advise you is for your core. So you will see that you're working on your core. This, to have nice abs for the beach, for instance. So I will send you a link. You will see the links all the time on the right. Which video is good to work on your core? Now let's see which video is good for your stretching. Then you have the videos for different time of the day. So you have the one for the morning. You just woke up and you want to feel good. And for the night time, another session. Why it's important as well to do some yoga in the night time? Firstly, honestly, when I'm doing yoga in the night time, is that I didn't have time to do it on another time of the day. And I like doing yoga every day if I can. My daughter as well, as you hear. And it's for your mind to relax. And the last video that I wanted to share with you is for healthy body. Healthy body is, for instance, if you have back pain. Not often, thanks to yoga, I don't have so much back pain anymore, but before I had a lot of back pains, and those videos are helping me a lot. And it's also, if you're not feeling good, if you have a cold or things like this, it can also help to do such a practice. As you will see, all those videos are for 20 minutes only. It's because I think that we all have 20 minutes every day available. If you don't, it's that you're lying to yourself, honestly. For me, it's working if I do it in the morning. So that way I know that I did my yoga practice. It's a better way to start my day. I do the yoga in the morning. But all the time we have those 20 minutes. I have a baby, so let me tell you that I don't have so much time, that's for sure, but I always have time for my yoga practice. So if you want to start yoga, I advise you those videos and they will help you work on your mind, on your body. Why I want to offer this to you? Because when I started doing yoga, it was difficult for me to find yoga practices and different ones. Otherwise, you do all the time the same video online and it's not nice, you feel bored, you don't want to do it anymore, or it's too long. So you will see that bit by bit, if you're working every day or every 2 days on your yoga, you will have improvement. You will have improvement for your life, you will have a better mindset, you will be more positive, and for your health as well, for your body, you will feel more stretched It's honestly it's incredible the change in your life if you're doing yoga. That's where my tips. I hope you liked it. If you like the video, put a like. If you want more videos about my lifestyle, about doing yoga, about being vegan, about learning languages and trying to be a zero-waste mother, then subscribe here for more videos. Have a good day. Namaste.